Hi everybody, thanks for tuning into the video on this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. This particular Grand Caravan is the GT trim level. It's the top trim level for the Grand Caravan. In addition to all those great standard Grand Caravan features like the stow-and-go seating, tri-zone climate control, and things like that, the GT adds a full leather interior, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, automatic and digital tri-zone climate control, among lots of other things. We'll go through that as we go around the video. Starting off here in the front, you have the classic Dodge Cross grille there. This is the red Octane Pearlcoat color. Under the hood, you're going to find the 3.6 liter V6. That is the sole power plant offered for the Dodge Grand Caravan, and it is a front-wheel drive drivetrain, which is also the only combination of drivetrain, transmission, and engine that you can get in a Grand Caravan. Inlaid into the lower bumper there, you do get fog lights. They are standard on the GTs. Coming around to the side, you're going to see a 17-inch alloy wheel with a polished face and a black gloss insert. You do have body-colored mirror caps as well as door handles. As I said, these doors are power sliding. And you do have the full leather interior. It is a black leather with a red stitching on it. Really gives it kind of a sporty look. If you did want to do the stow and go on this seat, you would pull that mat up, and there's a little compartment underneath there. You open that up and pull this lever. Now, if that is not open, it does give you great access to the rear seats anyway, so if you want to get into the rear seats, of course, these are captains, so you could always go up through the middle, but as easy as this is, just to pull the one lever, flop up, get into the back, nice access there. Both the doors also have the sunshades. You can see that pulled up on the other side. Sitting around the back, of course, you're going to find your Grand Caravan, Dodge, and GT badging back here. It is E85 flex fuel capable. Right here under the Dodge emblem, you'll see where your backup camera is mounted there. Pulling this open, you'll see that there's tons of cargo room. Even with the all 7 passengers, you can fit in this, all the seats up. You still have a lot of cargo space. Now, if you don't have to carry 7 passengers, you can fold these back seats down into that well right there. And if you fold your middle seats forward, you have a flat load floor the whole way from the front to the back. It's a pretty neat feature. You can carry anywhere between 2 passengers and a lot of cargo, the whole way up through 7 passengers, and you still have a good bit of cargo space back here. It is a power hatch, so just push the button here. Continuing up this side of the vehicle, let's take a look on the inside. Have all your power windows, locks, and mirrors there in a standard fashion on the door, as well as the power 3rd row window vents. Looking over here, you're going to see a full power 10-way adjustable seat with 2-way adjusting lumbar. Jumping in, we do have 2 fobs here. Your fobs are equipped with lock, unlock, power hatch, remote start, and then controls for both doors. Let's throw that in there, fire it up. Just over 36,000 miles, so this vehicle is out of its bumper-to-bumper factory powertrain warranty. However, it still has a fair amount of the 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty left. In addition to that, we can add up to 7 years and 100,000 miles of powertrain coverage to the vehicle, and also actually put the bumper-to-bumper coverage back on it. Those options are available to you, tailored to your driving habits and style. You can ask your sales consultant or F&I professional about that. Taking a look over here, you're going to see your menu navigation for that center screen, voice recognition, and Bluetooth controls on the left-hand side of the wheel. On the right-hand side, you're going to see all your cruise control items. Coming into the center stack here, up top, you have a nice 6.5-inch touchscreen radio that is equipped with navigation. See that screen there. You do have AM, FM, as well as Sirius XM radio, and of course your backup camera is here as well. In addition to those means of getting music onto your car speakers, you can also Bluetooth audio from your phone to the vehicle the same way that you would a phone call, or use the USB or auxiliary ports that are located over here. Coming down here, you can see, like I said, you do have the tri-zone automatic digital climate control here. You can choose to adjust these individually, or you can sync them all together. And then you can also hit the auto feature, and it will hold that temperature just like your car, or excuse me, just like your house would. Below that, you're going to see your 4 ways, the button to turn on your AC power outlet, and of course traction control. Some storage, nice storage here, some big cup holders, additional storage under here. Over here, you do have 2 separate glove compartments. One of them holds the books, and the other one just has some additional space there. Taking a look at the one here. In the glove compartment in every vehicle at All Things Automotive, you'll find the results of the multi-point inspection, as well as anything we did to the vehicle while it was in our shop. This particular car got all brand new tires, all brand new brakes and rotors, of course an oil change, a new engine air filter, and a new cabin air filter. So all of your common wearable parts have either been pretty much replaced or changed. So you're getting essentially a brand new vehicle in terms of wearable parts. So if you're thinking about buying new, you might save yourself thousands and thousands of dollars. Buy used, and like in this case, you still have a fair amount of factory warranty left, as well as all brand new wearable parts. A quick look at the Carfax before we get out of the vehicle. No accidents, no damage, Carfax 100 vehicle. It was owned as part of a corporate fleet, last owned in Illinois. Not really sure why it was registered in Illinois. They get registered all over in crazy places. Maybe for tax reasons, I'm not entirely sure. If you have any questions about this Grand Caravan, don't hesitate to reach out, 717-485-4224. Talk to anybody in the sales department. You can also visit us here, 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Or check us out online, allthingsautomotive.com. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you found it to be informative.